I have now added several images and linked out to several internal and external pages. Let me publish this page. To publish this page, you will need to go to the edit page screen and then publish the page. You cannot publish a page from Thrive Content Builder. Let's see how the page looks now. The URL of this page is optimized. It includes the focus keyword and a few secondary keywords. All of the LSI words we found using Google AdWords Keyword Planner have been added to the page. The page scores more than 99% for relevancy on endtopic.org. The page links out to several very relevant internal and external pages. The table of contents has links to secondary keywords, and the secondary keywords are in H3 tags. There are more than 10 images on the page. While none of these images on this page are unique, these are here only for illustration. You would want to use unique images on your pages. It does not mean that every image you use on your site needs to be unique. But if you want credit for using an image, then it needs to be unique. Or else, you will get no credit for using the image from Google. Google does not penalize you for using images that are found elsewhere on the web, but it does reward you for using unique images. You would want to have the focus keyword in the file name and alt text in only 2 of these images. The rest of the images need not be optimized. You would also want to optimize every single image on your pages using GIMP or Photoshop. In GIMP, you would want to scale the image first if it is larger than 500 pixels wide, and then you would want to export it as a JPEG and reduce the quality to around 20. By doing that, the size of most images is reduced to less than 20 kilobytes. You would not want to rely only on WordPress plugins to compress your images. Using GIMP or Photoshop can give you results that are so much better. We are using a lot of images on these pages. If you have 15 images on your page and each of them is 200 kilobytes in size, the size of the images alone will be about 3 megabytes. That's far too large and can slow down your page load times. You would not want that to happen, which is why you would want to reduce the size of every image on your page to less than 20 kilobytes, and that includes these buttons. These are images as well, and you would want to optimize them and reduce their size to less than 20 kilobytes before you upload them. Using CSS sprites to combine all of these images into a single image would have reduced the number of server requests. But to the best of my knowledge, there is no plugin that can make CSS sprites from JPEG images, and doing it manually takes a very long time. Possibly, the most important feature of this page is that it's built around a relatively low competition phrase. The keyword difficulty score of the focus keyword is 29. It might change in the future as the competition heats up, but you generally do not have to worry about competition if your on-page SEO is great and the rest of the pages linking to this page are very relevant.